Full all of you can see my screen. All right. So it's chart logic again. So it's very much similar to your series and analogy and all these sort of topics only. Basically, you have to find what is the logic, right, that is going on. But this will be in a diagrammatic way, right, with help of a chart. Okay. All right. Okay. So here, before we start, one thing that I want to tell is, see, whenever you see the distribution into rows and columns, right? Now you might have the first question that you would be having is, should we proceed column wise or row wise, right? How should we look for the logic? Well, the one thing that you have to keep in your mind is always look for the larger numbers, right? So if you see in the last row, right? So in the last row, we have the larger numbers, right? Or the largest numbers, right? So that's how you have to inculcate the logic that the 65 can be formed using 5, 6, and 7. 20 is formed using 4, 3, and 2. And I have to find what number is missing such that that number 9 and 4 together we get 45. Right? So this is how you have to think, whether you have to go column wise or row wise. This is you have to use the logic, right? Look for the largest numbers in the row or the column. Wherever the largest numbers are there, go according to that. Is this clear? All of you understood this logic?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, all right. Okay, solve this question. I think some of you, like who has also enrolled for math class, some of you have missed it. Please go through the recording, guys. Okay, so we did probability chapter. Go through the recording. All right, now solve this problem and let me know the answer.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, is it 1?
Yeah, you can just put it in the chat box. We will discuss. Okay, let us also try and then we'll discuss. Yeah, guys, if you are done, just put the answers in the chat box. Okay, Karthik says it's 1. Okay. See, let's see how you have to proceed, right? The first thing that you have to do is you sum up all the things, right? So 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 7, 18. So is there a way from which I can go to 18 to 65, right? There is no way. Same with 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, right? So there is no way. Now does multiplication works? 5 into 6 is 30, 30 into 7, again it exceeds, right? So multiplication also doesn't work. Now what could be happening? There might be 2 digits might be added, then the third digit might be multiplied. Now if I get to this logic, I can see that 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 into 7 is 77, doesn't work out. 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 into 5 is 65, which is here. So this seems like working out, right? 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 into 5 is 65, right? Similarly, if I do 3 plus 2 is 5, right? And 5 into 4 is 20, right? So the logic is working 2 times. So here also a number plus 4 into 9 must be 45. So that number must be 1, right? Because 1 into 5 into 9 is 45. So 1 plus 4 is 5. So the number is 1. Yeah. Correct, yes. Whoever has said what, they got it right. All of you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, what about this one? Okay, I think this is a simple question. Okay. Okay, everyone says 21, 21, Karthik says 21. Yeah, right? So this is a straightforward question, right? 9 3s are 27, 9 6 are 54. Right? Similarly, yeah, 21 is correct. 14 3s are 14 6 are. So 7 3s are 21, 7 6 are 42, right? So sometimes you will get these sort of easy questions as well. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next question. This is an interesting question. Yeah, spend some time and do it. See, don't just try one logic and leave it. Okay, try all the possible logics. And you have to be very quick. If one logic is not working out, immediately you have to jump into the other logic. Right? Okay, someone has done it. Very good. Let's check it. Okay, everyone says 45. Okay, Srivas is also saying 48. Sorry, 48. Okay, let's check, guys. Let's check. Just give me 1 minute. Let's others also do it. Okay, 48. Okay, right. Okay, let's do this. Now, how can I get using all these numbers 80, right? So as soon as I see that, one logic that comes to my mind is 15 into 6 is 90, 5 into 2 is 10, right? So 90 minus 10 is 80, right? So this is the logic, okay? And this is also a sound logic, right? So will this logic applies for the next one as well, right? So 9 into 6 is 54, minus 4 into 7 is 20. No, it is not working out. So that's not the logic. So immediately, like within 10 to 15 seconds, you have to identify this logic and you have to go for the other logic. Now, what can be the other logic? I'll look at these two. 15 minus 5 is 10. 2 plus 6 is 8. So 10 into 8 is 80, right? So 15 minus 5 into 2 plus 6, right? What about this? 9 minus 4, right? That is 5 into 7 plus 6 is 13, right? 5 into 13 is 65. That is the same number. So this is the logic that is going on. So 13 minus 11 is 2 into 16 plus 8 is 24. So 2 into 24 is 40. So that's our answer. Understood, all of you? Yes, guys, understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, what about this one? So again, whenever you are solving the questions related to letters, always remember the phrase HOT, right? You have to number the letters. And how do you number? You remember this phrase 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Based on this phrase, you number the other letters. All right. Okay, Tanvi says that it is X. Okay, let's see, Tanvi. So this is how quickly you have to mention the numbers, right? So A is 1, that we know. D is 4, right? G is E, F, G. So E is 5, so G will be 7, right? So D is again 4, I is 9, I, J. J is 10, so I will be 9. N is 14, right? O is 15, so N is 14. I is 9, P is 16. Okay, so what is the logic that is going on here? 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 7 is 23. And 23 is your x. So option C is your right answer. Clear? Any doubts?
Clear, sir.
Yeah, okay. No, Karthik, it's x. Oh, yeah. Correct. Okay, do this one. Someone has come up with an answer. Okay, let's see. Okay, C. Srivas says it's C. Okay, let's check. Okay, Soumya also says C. Okay, let's see. Come on, guys. Remaining people. Karthik, we want to give your answers as well. Manas, Yogeshwar, Vasuki, Soumya. Soumya gave. Okay. Come on, guys. You have to participate. Okay. So you'll learn only when you participate. You have to be actively doing, right? If you're not getting by one method, try the other method. At least you must try 2 to 3 methods within 1 minute of time. Okay. So that should be your goal. Okay. Yogeshwar says, yeah. Okay. This is quite interesting. Let's see. You're getting different answers. So I want 2 more answers from you guys. Okay. Anyone? So 2 more answers I want. Okay, I got one. Okay, I got two. Okay, Vivan and Manas, both of us, they are saying C. Okay, let's check. Uh, okay. So how can I get 256 from 2 and 2? Right? From 2 and 2, I need to get 256. As soon as 250, I see 256. I know that 4 power 4 is 256. Yes or no? 4 power 4 is 256. Right. So this I am able to look at it. Now, how can I get 4 power 4 from these two? So 1 can be 2 into 2 power 2 into 2. Right. This is 4 power 4. Or it can be 2 plus 2 power 2 plus 2. Right. Both these ways. Or again, you can go multiple ways, but again, I'll stop it here. Now I'll come to here. Right. 46656. So first of all, I'll check whether is this a power of something, right? So because 6 is there, I'll try to 6, like, so 6 sevens are 42, 46 again, 6 sevens are 42, 45, 6 sevens are 42, 36, 6 6 are 36. Okay. So 6 1s are 6, 17, 6 2s are 12, 57, right? 6 9s are 50. So, okay, 1296 is nothing but 6 power 4. Okay, I got the logic. 46656 is nothing but 6 power 6. Now, how can we get 6 power 6 from these two numbers? It can't be 4 into 2, right? 4 into 2 will be 8. 8 power 6. No, not. It should be 4 plus 2 power 4 plus 2, right? So basically, what is the logic? The sum of the numbers to the power of sum of the same numbers. So here also it will be 3 plus 2 power 3 plus 2, right? Which is 5 power 5. What is 5 power 5? 5 cube is 125. 5 power 4 is 625. 625 into 5 is 3125. Option B is your answer. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good problem. Okay. Make a note of it. No need to make a note of it. I'll send it. I'll send the presentations anyway, so it's okay. All of you understood this problem, right? No doubts. All right. Let's. Okay. Do this one. Okay. Someone has already completed it. Tanvi says 135. Okay. Let's check. 15 into 9. C. Okay. All are saying 135. So I think this is easy. Okay, so how do I look? So I have 63. 63, I can directly see that it is a multiple of 7. So I'll multiply 9 into 7. 14 is 7 into 2. 30 is 2 into 15. So this has to be a multiple of 15 and 9. What is 15 into 9? 135. Correct, guys. Option C is your right answer. It's a simple one. What about this one? Okay, someone has given the answer. Okay, two answers I got. A, 19. Okay, both Karthik and Manas are saying that it's 19. Okay, 19. Okay. Okay, what is happening here? If you carefully observe, there are two series that are going on, right? So 27 plus 3 is 30. So it has started from here. 27 plus 3 is 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. 33 plus 3 is 36. So this is one increasing AP, right? Increasing AP. Okay. Now here it is going 25 to 23, 23 to 21. So decreasing AP. So 21 to this will be 19, right? So 2, we are reducing to it each point, right? So that will be this. Yes, option A is the right answer. Okay. What about this one? Okay, I think this is pretty straightforward. Okay, so all the numbers are squares. 25. So 25 is 2 plus 3 whole square. 441 is 21 square. Again, remember, you have to remember first 20 to 25 squares. Okay. 289 is 17 square. So this will be 13 plus 12, 25 square, which is 625. Correct, guys. Correct. Very good. Very good. This one. Think in multiple ways, guys. Think in multiple ways. Okay, I have received one answer. Karthik says it's okay. Vasuki says it's 66. Okay, let's check. Let others do. Come on, guys, do it. Do it in multiple ways. Come on, guys. No. Tanvi, Srivas, Karthik, Vivan, any logic? Okay. Manas says 22. Okay. Okay, guys. Now I'm giving you a small hint. Okay, small hint. Okay. Observe that. Observe that in the middle column, the numbers are multiples of 11. And also the options given are multiples of 11. Right? Middle column, the numbers are multiples of 11. And the options are also multiples of 11. This is the hint. Now try to solve it. Okay, Soumya says C, 66. Tanvi says 22. Okay, let's check, guys. Let's check. See, now if you try to, 42, 37, 23, you try all the different logics, you will not have any logic, right? In those cases, what you have to do is you have to observe special things, right? Now observe that 44, 55 are multiples of 11. So something is related to 11, right? So 44 is 11 into 4. 55 is 11 into 5. So are we getting 4 and 5 from somewhere? What is 42 minus 38? It's 4. What is 28 minus 23? It's 5. Let's say we are taking the absolute difference. We are just taking the absolute difference, right? Now, what is the difference of 37 and 39 absolute difference? That's 2. So 11 multiplied by 2 will be 22. So option A is your answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
how to identify these sort of things? You have to identify these sort of things by looking at this. So here clearly it's a multiple of 11, right? That is what observational skills are needed, right? So you should be in a position to observe these things. This is also a good question. Okay. Yeah, 20 is the right answer. Correct, yes. Okay, this one. Yeah, this is straightforward, I guess. Yeah, 216, right? So 5 minus 1. 5 minus 4, 1. 1 cube is 1. 11 minus 8 is 3. 3 cube is 27. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 cube is 64. So 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 cube is 260. Right? So that's your answer. Okay. 216 is the answer. Okay. What about this one? Do it. Okay. If someone has mentioned the answer. Vivan says it's 4. Okay. Let's check. Okay. One more answer. Manas says 36. Okay. All right. Let's look at this. Okay. Or I'll give one more minute. Remaining people, please solve it. Guess. Try it until and unless you don't try it in multiple ways, you'll not get it. Okay. So try it in one or two more ways. Soumya says 4. Okay, let's check it, guys. See. So whenever you see these sort of questions, again, first figure out, right? So the last row numbers are larger. So it is something related with row operations only. So what I'll do is first I'll add. So 13 plus 7 is 20. Now how can I get 27? I can add one more 7, right? So 13 plus 7 plus 7, right? So that is I have to first add the first element once and the second element I have to add it twice. So that is how I'm getting. Is the same logic following here 54 plus 2 into 45? Well, 2 into 45 is 90. 90 plus 54 is 144. So that is also working out. Now, so this is some, let's say some x plus 2 into 32 is equal to 68. So 2 into 32 is 64. 68 minus 64 is 4. So we get x equal to 4 is our answer. Understood? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Do this. Karthik and Vivan are saying that it's 66. Okay, let's wait for others as well. Karthik, can you explain the logic?
Yes, sir. So if you multiply the diagonal elements and like add the bottom one,
Right.
both
What
will
is 7 into 5? Okay, multiply the diagonal elements. So which elements?
So 7 into 5 and you add the bottom element, so 5, so 40. Then 4 into 9 plus 4, that will also be 40.
Okay,
Same
7
way,
into 5, 35 plus 5, 40. 9 into 4 plus 4, 40. 70 into 3, 51 plus 3, 8 into 6, 48 plus 6. Okay. Uh, Vivan, did you use the same logic?
Yes, sir.
Srivas, what about you?
yes, sir.
Right, so it is the same logic. Okay. All right. Great guys, great. What about this one? Okay, someone got the answer. Okay, Tanvi says 25. Okay, Tanvi, let's have a look. Let others also give their answers. Okay, I think all of you are saying 25. Okay, so what's the logic here? Tanvi, can you explain the logic?
Sir, 56 minus 22 is,
34.
yes, sir, and 15 minus 87, and then 34 plus,
34 plus 7 is 41. Correct.
yes, sir.
46 minus 10 is 36. 9 minus 6 is 3. So 36 plus 3 is 39, right? So 34 minus 14 will be 20. 11 minus 6 will be 5. So it will be 25. All right. Correct. Okay, fine. All right, guys. I think we are done with chat logic. Any doubts or any feedback, guys, that you want to share? Any doubts? Any questions that you want to ask?
So
However,
the sheet which you shared last time.
yes. Have you done that?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. You have any doubts in that?
Yes, sir.
All right. We'll discuss it. Okay. Now. But meanwhile, I'll send the worksheet on this as well. Okay. Okay. I have sent it in your group. Okay. All right. Where was it? Where was it? Where was it? Let me open share. Let me open that. Okay, which question you have doubt in?
Sir, seventh question.
Seventh question. Okay. All of you have that sheet with you? Yeah. Can you see my screen, all of you?
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. So all of you try the seventh question. Like whoever has not tried, please you also try the seventh question. Do it. Yes, guys. Anyone got the answer? So it is 2, 12, 36, 80, 150, right? So what is the first approach that we'll try? We'll try the differences approach. So here the difference is 10, 24, 44, 70. So the nothing, I'm not seeing any pattern in this. So I'll go one step further, right? So this is 14, this is 20, this is 26. I can clearly see a pattern, right? The difference is 6. So here it has to be, the difference has to be 32, right? Because 26 plus 6. So it is 102, 70 plus 32, 102. So it will be 150 plus 102, which is 252, right? Option C is your answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Soumya, it was you, right, who asked this question?
No, sir.
Who asked this question?
Sir, I asked.
Tanvi. Okay, sorry, Tanvi. Yeah. Did you understand this, Tanvi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any more questions in this? Any more
Sir,
doubts in this?
eighth.
Eighth. Okay, guys, try eighth one. All of you, try eighth one. Come on, guys. Any idea? This seems an interesting problem. 2, 3, 2, 15, 245. Okay. How can I get? So it is. Into 7 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. Okay. 15 into 8. No. Into 50. Any ideas, guys? Keep thinking. I'm also thinking. What could be the logic here? This is a very peculiar sequence, right? So 2, 3, 2. But I feel that it has something to do with multiplication only because the numbers are quite apart after this, right? So it has to do something with multiplication only. So what could be the logic? What could be the logic? What could be it? Let's say 2 into 3 is 6 plus 3 square is 9. Okay, that is 15. 15 into 4 is 60. 60 minus 4 square is 16. So which is 44. So we have 44. So 3 into 6. Yeah, we got the logic. Guys, look here. Very beautiful question. Okay. So 2, 3, 2, 15 question mark 245. Right. So see, I sense that there is something that is happening. There is some logic, some weird logic that is happening here. 2, 3, 2. So I don't want to go into that logic, right? I'll start from here, right? I'll start from 215 question mark 245, right? So one way, how do I get to 15 from 2, right? So it is 2 into 7 plus 1, right? That is one way. Now, if I follow the same logic, so it will be either 15 into 7 or 15 into 8, right? So 15 into 7 plus 2, what is 15 into 7? 105 plus 2, right? But no way the options are closer, right? So this is not working. Now, what is the other way of reaching to 15, right? So the other way could be 2 into 3 is 6 plus 3 square could be 9. So that is 15, right? Now the next logic, so for the next number, what I'll do is I'll put 15 into 4, right? I'll increase it by 4. Now there are two options I have, right? I can increase it by 4 square, right? Or I can decrease it by 4 square, right? So that it could be an alternating plus and minus, right? So if I increase by plus 4, I'll get 74. If I decrease it by 4 square, I'll get 44. So both the options are available. So till here, we are not sure whether which of both these will appear, right? Now I'll go to the previous number, right? So how can I get from 3, how can I get 2 from 3, right? So because it was plus, the before option could be minus. So it will be 3 into 2 is 6 minus 2 square. What is 2 square? 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. That's how I got to here. So what is the logic that is going on here? So from 3 to 2, I'll get 3 into 2 minus 2 square. From 2 to 15, I'll get 2 into 3 plus 3 square. From 15 to the next number will be 15 into 4 minus 4 square. The previous number also, how would I have got? 2 into 1 minus 1 square, because 2 into 1, 2 into, from 2 I have to get, so yeah, it has to plus, right? So it is alternative. 2 into 1 is 1, 2 plus 1 square is 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is 3, this is 2, this is 15, and this is your answer 44. Understood this logic, Tanvi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is a very good problem, guys. Very, very good problem. Okay. So make sure that you practice this problem once again before going to your exam, or mark it somewhere. Anything else in this?
No, sir.
Okay. So guys, again, this sheet is in our WhatsApp group, right? So today also I've sent a worksheet, right?
Sir, please send it in the other group also.
Other group, I don't know. Actually, I don't have access to other group. Wait. What is that other group? Okay, wait. I'll just put it here itself. Why don't I'll why it just give me a, so this is what. Okay, this you have it, right? So you want chart logic, right? Wait a minute, I'll send it right away. Otherwise, I'll forget it. Okay.
Sir, you can share it on the screen. I'll take a screenshot.
No, I'll just send it here. So there is this option in the chat box, right? Okay, it's not taking from the chat box. Okay. Okay, no problem. Tanvi, I'll ask Atul only to share it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. Guys, any other doubts or anything that you want to share?
No, sir.
No, sir.
All right, guys. Thank you in that case, and let's meet in the next class. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, guys. Bye.